All right, part two. All right, so basically, I think everything is really much closed today except restaurants. So I don't know if I'll be able to buy a thermometer today or not. Maybe I'll get lucky, but it looks like everything is closed down there. So we'll see. Hopefully we can. All right, so this is it with it painted. Looks a lot better now. Yeah. All right, so bad news. It's raining outside. So we gotta wait till tomorrow to try this out. Filling up my bucket for my test. The water keeps moving away. Alright, so it's still hot. I can touch it, no problem. The water coming out is actually hot. Still. Okay, now it's cooling down, still warm, still warm, still warm. And compared to this water, oh my god, the water in my hand is like freezing cold. And the water still coming through the pipe. Right now is the last bit of what's coming through. It's warmer. Now it's actually cold. So all right, so basically the way this is gonna work when it's done is this is gonna sit right on top of here. We're painting it black so it absorbs more heat. And that's basically it. So as I just found out in the last test, the copper didn't I only heated one part of the copper. I tried also in the front, and then from where the inlet was, the water stayed hotter coming out than the copper itself when I was actually touching it. So what I did was I applied the heat to the copper piping on at least like two of the main rows, and I heated it up, let's say like right here and right there, and like at the end, the water was still hot. Hey, I could take a decent hot shower, and that was pretty good. And like I said, this is still with touching the bare copper with my hand. To me, I felt like the copper was still kind of actually like room temperature, almost a little cold, but the water coming out was hot, even after removing the heat. And also what I ended up doing was I kept the water flowing. So basically I wasn't just only filling the water that was currently in the pipe, I was actually filling the new amount of water that was going through. So I believe actually this is going to work, because usually in the sunlight, if you leave metal in direct sunlight, especially painted, it's going to be too hot to even touch. So I think this is actually a successful build with only this, and I believe all this copper right here was actually pretty cheap. I'll look at the receipt and get that for you all, but the goal is tomorrow or Tuesday, we're either going to take it to my apartment, or I'm coming out there here to the workshop and try it out again. All right, so basically what we're going to do is, it's kind of hot to the touch, definitely right here. It's like still like 5 o'clock here, so it's creating a shadow, as you can kind of see. So it's not direct sunlight, but still, and there's like a slight breeze. So once you put the glass on top, it wouldn't be doing an air conditioner effect, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see what happens.